Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to register a business in the UK from the comfort of your home using IncorpUK. Now before I share my screen with you to show you how this is done, I'd like to point out that anyone from anywhere in the world can actually register a business in the UK as long as you have the right tools and the right information, which I'll be sharing with you in this video. So make sure to pay close attention and avoid any form of distraction, and follow me step by step as I show you how to register a business in the UK. Let's go. Alright, so when you click the link in the description of this video, you'll be taken straight to this page. Now the first thing you need to do when you get here is to click on this button that says get started. Now once you click on that, you're going to search the name of the business you want to register. Enter the name. I'm going to type in Media. That's the name I want to register. Okay, now once you've entered the name, go ahead and search the availability of that name. Now say the name is available. As you can see here, said name is available. Now if this name is not available, it's going to say your name is not available, so you enter another name and search again. Now once you've done that and your name is available, go ahead and enter the nature of the business. What is the nature of this business? Now this is a media company. Let's see, go down. Just if your niche is not here, go ahead and select order. Okay, if the nature of your business is not there, select order and continue. Now once you've done that, you're going to get to the pricing plan. We are going to set the pricing option for you for your business. Now say congratulations, you are now registering Nwaeze Media Limited. Now select the package. You're going to select a package. There are 4 packages here. There's the basic. This basic plan has register business, UK company formation, certificate of incorporation, memorandum and article, registered office, and plus 4 more. Now for startup, you get everything here plus director service address, startup packs, and business startup kits, pre-registration, pre-submission checks. This is okay, also good. Now for entrepreneur, you're going to get everything in startup plus, and also get a virtual business address, which usually costs a fee of £120, but you are getting it for free if you go for this package. Now you also get a free VAT registration, claim anytime. Now this VAT is very important. Okay, it's very important, especially if you're going to create account like Stripe, so you're going to need those details. So the most recommended option here is this entrepreneur or the all-in-one founder choice. So I'm going to go ahead and select this option because this is the one I want. This is the one that contains the VAT and all that. So I'm going to select it. Now the next thing you need to do before you check out is to enter your name, your last name, your first name, last name, email address, your occupation. Now you can enter business if you're a business person. Enter your password and confirm your password. Now once you enter these details, your account will be created. So I'm going to pause this video right now, enter this detail, and then proceed to the checkout page. Alright, so I've entered my personal details to create my account, and then the next page is the checkout page. We are going to make payments. Now before you make payments, there are other optional services here that you need to take a look at. So leave it the way it is and go ahead and click on continue to payment. Then you're going to make payment with Stripe. Okay, click on this, and then this payment option will come out where you're going to enter your card details, enter your card name, card email, and then card number. Your card number here, expiry date, and CVC. Now this CVC is the number, the 3-digit number at the back of your credit card. Enter it here and then submit your payment. Now once you have submitted the payment, you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then monitor the progress of your business registration. If there is any additional information that is required, you'll be informed via email or via text message. You provide the information and your business will be registered, and then your document will be sent to you electronically. If you want it to be mailed to you physically, you can also provide your physical address and it will be shipped to you. But everything, it can be done from the comfort of your home. So go ahead right now, make your payment, and if you have any question, do wait to reach out to me in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer your questions. So there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide helping you register a business in the UK from the comfort of your home. Now, I recommend that you take advantage of this opportunity right now and register a business in the UK, because there are so many advantages to this, like having a UK bank account for your business, a Stripe account, PayPal account, etc. So take advantage of this opportunity right now and register a business in the UK. Now, I've done something for you and I need you to do something for me in return. I need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so you don't miss out on any of my updates, and also share this video with your friends so they can also take advantage of this opportunity. Now, the link to IncorpUK sign up is in the description of this video or below this video. Go ahead right now and click on that link and sign up, and I'll see you in the next video.